Now we are going to solve the first equation, which is this. Using the calculator, always pay attention to the unit. It should be in degrees. Okay, so we enter theta is cosine minus 1 for minus half. We enter this on the calculator to get the answer, which is 120 degrees. This is the first value of theta. 120 degrees is accepted because it is within the interval, and we know that there are other solutions as well. Now we look at the quadrant plane. We need to represent the first angle, which is 120 degrees. All of this is 120 degrees, and it resulted in 60 degrees with the x-axis as an acute angle. These are all the angles that can result. This is 60, 60, and 60. All of these are equal to 60 degrees. And remember that the value for the cosine is negative. Now we need to know where the cosine is negative on the quadrant. The cosine is negative in the second and the third quadrant. Now let's calculate it in the third quadrant. Theta is this angle, and all of this is 180 plus 60 degrees. So 180 plus 60, the answer is 240 degrees, which is accepted because it is within the interval. Now we need to solve cosine theta equals 2 plus 1. This is a different case because you know that cosine theta equals to 1 is a special angle. We are going to use the graph of the cosine. This is the graph of the cosine that we will use. Cosine theta is equal to plus 1, where theta is between 0 and 360 degrees. This is the value of 1. So, theta equals to 0 degrees or theta equals to 360 degrees. Both are accepted because they are within the range. Now, let's see all the values that we calculated for theta. We are going to start with the smallest angle. So, theta is equal to 0 degrees, and the highest angle was 360 degrees, and in between we had 120 degrees and 240 degrees. As a recap, we simply replaced the trigonometric ratio by x, then we factorized in order to equal to 0. Then we found the angles by using the quadrant and calculator or the graph of the cosine.